Okay, good afternoon, students. Today we will solve the sample paper questions. So in your sample paper, question number 26, here is a web page. So we will learn how to type the coding of this web page. So start from HTML, then head, title tag, and find out whether the title is given in the question or not. So heading is not given here. Okay. If heading is given there, then you can follow that heading, otherwise that title. Otherwise, you can take any other title. For example, I'm taking India. Title close, head tag close, body tag start. Now the background color of the page is yellow. So in the guidelines, there is a background color of the web page is yellow. So you will take here BG color equal to yellow. Next is, after that, there is a heading of level 1. So look at here in the guide, there is a heading, our country India should be in first level of heading. So here is H1 because it is center aligned. Align equal to center. And then the heading is our country India, and then heading tag close. Now after that, there is a image, and according to your question, image name is India. But remember one thing, if this image is not in my computer, it will generate error. So I am inserting any other image. Take any image. So I'm taking here, pick one, copy this, and then img tag src. In your question, it is india.jpg. So you will write india.jpg, but this image is not in my computer. That's why I'm changing this. After that, this image is center aligned. So take here center tag before image tag, center, and after the image, again center tag close. Now after that, there is a paragraph. So I'm taking P tag for paragraph. But remember one thing, the text is of a red color. So then font, I will take font color equal to red, and then text. So I will have to type the coding, the text material. Okay, beta, after 7, there is a TH is in superscript. So you will take here SUP, then TH, then SUP close or superscript. After that, largest country while in term of population. Now it is the second. Beta, again superscript. Largest country in the world. Some facts about India are as follows. Okay, because in this paragraph, text is little bit larger than other text. So I am taking here size equal to 5 or 4. You can take according to your requirement. After the paragraph, there is this, yes, Raghav.
सर जस्टिफाई अलाइन रह गया फॉन्ट में.
हाँ बेटा देखो, here is justify alignment you can take, otherwise there is a gap here, so that's why. So you can take, I'm taking here. ठीक है, okay बेटा.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
Yes बच्चे.
सर हमें कैसे पता लगेगा साइज कितना लेना है?
बेटा if the question is silent about this, so you can take the your assumption. ठीक है, तो आप assumption लेके कर सकते हो.
Okay sir.
If the question, if look at here, for font size 5 and font face is also given. So here, if the question, the guidelines is silent, you can take any. But here the question is telling about the size and face. ठीक है, तो आपने यहाँ पे लेना है. तो I am taking here font color red, size मैंने अपने आप ही ले लिया था 5. Now here face equal to, they are saying Time New Roman.
सर हम अलाइन फॉन्ट में नहीं लगा सकते थे?
बेटा line attribute is not a font. आपके font में there is a one is size, then color and face. These are 3 attribute. Clear है राघव?
Okay sir. Yes sir.
So after that there is a list, unordered list. So I am going to start unordered list. So look at here. For UL type equal to disk. Because here is a circle with color fill. So this is a disk, not a circle. So first I take Li area approximately 3.28 million square kilometer. And then Li close. Then Li again start north to south extension approximately 3,200 kilometer. And again Li close. Then Li tag again start east to west extension approximately 2,900 kilometer. Then Li tag close, and then unordered list close, then body tag close, then HTML tag close. Now I am saving this file in desktop with extension exam.html. Here picture is of very big size, so I am going to reduce the size of picture. But theory purpose, no need to use height and width because there is no any information regarding this. I have not closed the font tags. That's why the complete color is of red. Look at here. So look at here. This is the web page, and this is the according to the question given in your question paper. So this is the output. Okay, students. Now, next is okay, students. Now there are some questions. 1 mark questions are there here. First question is, what is home page? The first page of a website is called home page. First page is also the web page that appear when we open the browser. So home page may be of a browser or home page may be of your website. अगर ये वेबसाइट है तो वेबसाइट का फर्स्ट पेज है, And in case it is a browser, the first page that appears when we open the browser is called home page. Next question. Which heading element is the most prominent headings? Headings. So H1. Okay, H1 is the most one. Next is give one use of anchor tag. Yes, Akhilesh, why use anchor tag? Raghav?
Sir, could you repeat the question?
Give one use of anchor tag.
Link, for link.
Yes, beta. Anchor tag means a tag. It is used for providing hyperlink, linking with other pages or other files. Next is dash tag is used for horizontal line. Yes, Bhumika. Dash tag is used for horizontal line.
HR.
So it is HR. Bhumika, you are muted, beta. That's why okay, it is HR. Next question is an element HTML element has an empty HTML element has a dash tag but no dash tag. Yes, any student?
Opening, closing.
Yes, it has a starting tag but no closing tag. Next question number 3. Yashit?
Yes, sir.
Dash tag
UL.
creates bulletin list.
Unordered list UL tag.
Yes, it is UL, unordered list tag, UL tag. Next question is the code for inserting an image in HTML page is this one. The ALT attribute is used for, yes, Tripti, unmute yourself. Krishna. Yes, better give the answer. Ashima.
Alternate text.
Alternative text. So it ALT attribute has 2 features. In case image is not inserted, that text will be displayed. In case image inserted, when we place the mouse on the particular image, it shows the tooltip, small text with the mouse pointer. Next question. This question is not linked with the HTML. Next question is, question number 9. Raghav, give the answer. Question number 9.
Sarita has designed a web page and wants to change the name of the font.
Which attribute of font
face?
Yes, it is face. Attribute name is face.
Face.
Next is for Akhilesh. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Question number 10. What is the use of via tag in HTML code?
Sir, to provide a line break.
To provide the line break. Very good, Vita. Now, Anshika.
Yes, sir.
Question number Question number 11 is of internet, not HTML. Question number 12. What is the importance of v-link attribute of a
Yes.
body tag?
In this, in this we specify the color of the visited link.
Yes, color of the visited link. It means the link which we have used, and after that we close that particular link. So we have already used that link. It is called visited link. There are three attributes of a body tag: link, v-link, and a-link. A-link means active link, which we are using. Suppose if we click on a particular link, it means that is an active link. And if we have already used that link, it is called v-link. Next question is, this is for Ashima. Unmute yourself. Beta, quickly unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Beta, what is the method of using comment line in HTML? In HTML, if we want to insert comment, how we can do?
There must be a space between the initial and before the final.
But look at here, the wrong answer. For inserting comment, it is exclamation symbol. Okay, then this is my comment. Is it clear? Ashima, it is clear? Okay, beta. Next question. So question number 23rd. Here is question number 20. Question number 21. And Bhavna will give the answer. Question number 21. Yes.
Sir, numbered list.
Here, a web designer wants to create a web page to display a list where each item is listed by a number. Which type of a list she should use? Explain the role of start and type attribute. It is an OL list. Okay, beta, order list. OL, tag is OL. Explain the role of start and type. Bhavna. Yes, Raghav.
So start is used to specify the value from where we have to start, and type will tell what type of character do we want to use: Roman numeral,
Yes.
lowercase, uppercase.
It is small a, capital A, small I, capital I, okay, and 1. So these are the possible value for type attribute. So indicate the type of the character display before the list item. And start indicate from where we will start the list. So for example, start 5 and we take the number list A. It means we start from the D, 4th character. Next question is, what is the role of row span and co-span attribute? Explain with suitable example. Beta, row span and co-span, these are used for merging of different cells in a table. Row span provide us the vertical merging of the cells, and co-span provide us the vertical merging of the cells. Next is explain the role of THTRTD. Beta, TH stand for table head, and in this contents will be center aligned and bold, and it is a container tag. TR tag, it is it stands for table row, and it is used to insert a new row, and it is a container tag, TD tag. TD tag is stand for table data, and in this data is left aligned, and it is not in bold format, and again it is a container tag. So this is all about the sample paper of CBSE.